다, 땅을, wood, ground, earth. 땅은 object marker, 땅을 to the ground. From 치고, 치다, to hit, to strike. 고 connects to the next action. 치고 equals hitting, strike. And full meaning, I hit the ground and. But important nuance, 땅을 치다 is also a set expression in Korean meaning to beat the ground in regret, to deeply regret something, to be frustrated or devastated. So lyrically, naturally, it means I'm beating the ground in regret, or I'm overwhelmed with frustration. 후회하다, to regret. 도록, so that, in order to, 후회하도록, so that someone will regret it, someone regret. To, 넌, you, subject, marker, 넌, you. 3, 크게, adverb from 크다, big, large. 크게 equals loudly, big in a big way. 4, 웃어줘. From to laugh, smile, for me, please do. 웃어줘, please smile, laugh. Full meaning, laugh loudly so that I'll regret it. Or more naturally, give me a big laugh so I'll regret it. Casual, neoliteral, contracted form, you object. 2, 생각하단, from 생각하다, to think about. 한 equals my past modifier that I thought about, inspired by. 생각한 equals thought about, inspired by. 3, 운율이야. 운율, rhythm, meter, cadence. Often used in poetry is. 운율이야. It's a rhythm. It's a cadence. It's a rhythm inspired by you, or it's a cadence I thought of because of you. Here's a clear, gentle breakdown. Same style as before. Hashtag, 비로소, at last, finally, only now. Used when something is felt or realized after a long time. From 느껴지잖아, from 느껴지다, to be felt, to be sensed. 잖아, you know, as you can tell, obviously. Used when the speaker feels the listener should understand. Again, you can feel it, right? It's finally felt, you know. Full meaning, now it finally feels real, you know, or at last you can feel it.